Let's take a look at the rendering settings. Here you can adjust the quality settings and the resolution, 8K being the highest. You can change the composition here. You can adjust your lens settings to zoom in or out. The shear scale allows you to move through walls to get the frame that you need. You can adjust your camera angle here and move up and down. In the top right-hand corner you can also adjust your camera view by moving the camera around in here. You can choose your lighting template or create your own. We will go into this in another tutorial. You can adjust your brightness and shadow softness. Here you can choose your background and whether you would like a daytime view or nighttime view. Hit submit and your design will be sent to render. And here is the completed render with a basic nighttime view.